In this video, we are going to list the features and benefits of using Yeoman framework to build your web applications. Objective has always been to make your application development fast and provide productivity and satisfaction to the developers as well as the users who are using that particular application. In order to ensure that you are able to speed up your front end development, you will have a framework, and that framework is what is called as Yeoman. It was released at Google I/O in order to ensure that component development can be done fast, automating certain tasks of building your application. It uses generators in order to ensure that you are able to build your application structure quickly, and generators can be of various different types depending on the framework need that you want to implement in your application. Yeoman helps you to create fundamental structure which is powered by various vendor libraries. It runs interactively. In other words, if you are doing development and in case if you want to test while developing itself, you can use Yeoman because internally it will refresh your application immediately whenever you make change to the components of your application. It provides generators for all popular frameworks, which includes AngularJS, React, Mean Stack, as well as jQuery. And it helps you to reduce the number of phases which actually developers will struggle while creating your application and finding different dependencies in order to build the entire structure of your application. Yeoman also believes in automation. This is the reason why it also uses tool in order to automate the tasks which are applicable on your application. Yeoman is collection of various tools. You can use tools like Bower in order to ensure that you are able to do browser build. You can use Gulp, you can use Grunt, you can use YO, that is Yo, you can use SAS, which is style sheet of Twitter, you can use Angular, you can use Bootstrap, and all this can be done by using its engine, which is built using Node, and you can manage Yeoman by using npm, that is Node Package Manager. Now let's evaluate some of the features of Yeoman. First important feature is it provides you generic scaffolding system. You don't need to build one of your own. It is embedded capability of Yeoman. It allows you to create application of any type, and it takes responsibility of managing the dependency, eliminating need of developer to manage it. It allows you to start up your project quite quick by providing you generators. It is better streamlined because it follows all the best practices internally and the patterns in order to when actually it generates the application. And it is language independent. You will be using Node, which is powered by JavaScript. It can be integrated with server-side application of any language, including Java, Go, or Microsoft. And in order to provide you all these benefits, Yeoman has came up with concept of generators. And generators forms the core of Yeoman that helps you to build application of diversified types. Let's see some of the use cases which has been used in order to evaluate Yeoman. It is considered as a RAD tool that helps you to rapidly develop application. Yeoman has been successfully used in order to bootstrap new services. You can create new sections in existing project because Yeoman uses modularity to build the directory structure of your application. You can go and add more modules and packages. You can enforce standards, best practices, and patterns, which is the de facto task that Yeoman does for us, eliminating need of developers to do it. And Yeoman execution is simplified because you can run it using command line interface written for Node.js. Another benefit where use case has been successfully applied was to use various open source tools which you can combine and use in order to make your applications more productive. In this video, we discussed benefits of Yeoman when it comes to building web applications.